Hello friends. I hope you all are doing well. Today I will discuss, according to different situations, which average is most suitable. Information is all around us. The number of students in a school, the amount of money an average citizen in a town earns, or the temperature for your vacation destination, are all numbers that are important in everyday life. But how can you take lots of information, such as the amount that all the citizens of a city earn, and make it meaningful? This is where statistics such as mean, median and mode become a valuable tool. Each has a specific way of looking at a group of data, and each one can give you a different insight into the way information behaves in the real world around you. I have learned 3 kinds of averages to reflect central tendency. May I use any one of them for any situations? The answer is no. Each average has its own characteristics. Let's see how to choose the most appropriate averages according to different situations. I will talk about arithmetic mean first. Arithmetic mean is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. All the data are involved in the calculations of arithmetic mean. For example, consider we have the following data set: 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. The mean is 2. If we change the value 4 to 40, then the mean changes to 8, which is larger than other 5 data values. So, the mean is not appropriate measure in this case. Median is a measure of central tendency which is not affected by extreme values. For example, for the data set 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. The median is 2. After changing the value 4 to 40, the median remains the same. So, in such situation where the extreme values exist, the median is the most appropriate to reflect the central tendency of the data. Mode is the most repeated value of any data set, and it is also not affected by the extreme values. For example, for the data set 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the mode is 1, which cannot show the central tendency of the data. So, mode is not good average in this situation. Here are some daily life applications for the 3 averages. 4. Arithmetic mean. The applications are school test results, monthly temperature of a city. Similarly for median, salaries of workers, admission grades of university students. And for mode, the real life situations may be the best-selling item. Voting results. Here are a practice question, which will be helpful in understanding the concept. The maximum speed in km per hour of 5 cars are given below: 90, 90, 105, 110, 220. Find arithmetic mean, median, mode. Also explain which of the averages best reflects the central tendency. I think you can find mean, median and mode. Let me help you to find which average is better in this situation. Since there is an extreme value 220, the arithmetic mean is not suitable. Since mode is 90 and it is smaller value of the data set, it is also not a suitable average. The median 105 is the best average to reflect the central tendency of the given data set. Here are some pros and cons of 3 averages are given, which will help you to understand the situations to apply the best average. The advantage of arithmetic mean is, it is sensitive as it takes all data values into account. It means it is reliable. The disadvantage is, it provides biased results if extreme values exist in the dataset. The most important advantage of median is that it is not affected by extreme values. On the other hand, it is less sensitive than mean, as it only focuses giving out the middle data points irrespective how far the other values are from the middle. Also, It needs the data to be arranged in ascending order before computing. The advantage of mode is that it is not affected by extreme values. And most importantly can be used with non-numerical data. And the major disadvantage is there may be more than one mode or no mode at all, and it may not reflect data summary accurately. If dealing with a normal distribution and tests of normality show that the data is non-normal, it is customary to use the median instead of the mean. However, this is more a rule of thumb than a strict guideline. Sometimes, researchers wish to report the mean of a skewed distribution if the median and mean are not appreciably different, a subjective assessment, and if it allows easier comparisons to previous research to be made. Please use the following summary table to know what the best measure of central tendency is with respect to the different types of variable. I hope that this lecture will be useful in enhancing your ability for applying the most appropriate average in different real-life situations. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. If you like our videos, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends.